In this video, I'm gonna check out the self-heating steamboat. And the packaging. So they say it's just 50 minutes. Okay. This mini. The cutlery. Vegetables. More vegetables. The sauce. And then this is the heating pack. Okay, so I need to go and get some water. So I already put some water inside, and now this is the scarier part. I need to put this packet inside the water. So let's open this, and this one will make it warm. Fast boiling. It's boiling fast. Okay, now I put the sauce inside. And wait for 15 minutes. So first of all, I'm supposed to put the vegetables and everything here, and only then I put the water.
A few moments later.
I have the soup spoon. Even have a toothpick. The top is not boiling, but it's hot. So I have the, what's this? This is the lotus. So this one is the glass noodles. Let's taste the glass noodles. But I'm surprised that the water is not boiling. I mean, the soup water is not boiling, but it's hot. The taste is okay, but this one costs $8 Brunei. Wood ear. It's so sleepy. Wood ear. Seaweed. Very healthy vegetarian dish. If you have ever tried this, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, that's all for now. I'm going to continue eating this. See you again. Bye bye.